So I already have a pretty extensive toy collection, as you can see. It started really with Queen Amidala. I like the idea of a toy that you can't really play with because her hair is so elaborate, like, it's really not a playable toy. So I added to that, like, funny Barbies, like Earring Magic Ken and Jello Fun Barbie, and I really thought I had just about every toy you could possibly need. Spice Girl collection, Gorillas, McDonald's, Pee-wee's Playhouse, but when I heard of the LOL Suprise dolls and I watched a bunch of Cookie Swirl C's unboxing videos, I realized that I needed to get one of those, and I asked my friend Solomon for one for my birthday, and he sent me one. Here were the last two dolls I got. The Birds Barbie, and then Oprah Winfrey. Okay, so today I'm going to do the unboxing in my Oprah Winfrey shrine. And if you don't have an Oprah Winfrey shrine of your own, you can make one with a box and some glitter. Here I have my candle, Sacred Heart of Oprah, which is available in my Etsy shop if you would like to look for it. Available in 3 designs. This is the one where she opened the school. And this is the one where she gave away the car. Alright, so as I was saying, I asked my friend Solomon for an LOL Surprise doll for my birthday. And I was so excited when I opened up the box. The unboxing of the unboxing. And there was 2 in there. We got one from Wave 1, Series 4 Under Wraps, and then what appears to be Wave 2. So it's very exciting that I get one of each of these. So I think we're gonna start with this lady here. Let's Be Friends. What else is there? So this is what you can get. 15 surprises. One of the surprises is a piece of paper, so not super exciting, but anyway, let's start with this. Zipper. Okay. Oh, that's really nicely. And here's our secret decoder. And let's see if there's any clues to see here. News. Are we seeing this in the camera? I guess I should show it there. Oh, here. Getting close. All right. Well, that's exciting. And then next we must find another zip. Right? How does it work? Anyone? There must be a way to open it. Come on, lady. I think there's supposed to be a zipper. There doesn't seem to be a zipper. All right. Well, I guess I can just rip it open, but I'm sure. If I get scissors, I'll get scissors. So, we'll get scissors. I don't see that there's a zipper in here, so that's kind of funny. Hopefully, everything's cool in here. Oh, it looks like we got a gold one, which I think is special, right? I don't know. Here's next surprise, which is a clue, which says up mountain on top of a mountain. Okay, so maybe it'll be somebody who likes to be on top of a mountain. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's a zippy thing here either, so let's just rip it open with the scissors. Oh wait, I missed a lady. Okay, what'd she say? Almost there. That's correct, because we can see the middle there. Oh, here is assembly instructions. Okay, well I know all this stuff, but, or no, okay, instructions. Oh right, so here's our clues. And where is my, all right, so here's this. The first one is crown jewel. So let's try here, crown, jewel. No, it doesn't work there. There's another one back here, crown, jewel. No. Crown, jewel. Oh, that opened this. Okay. Here's the middle thing. Oh, so here's the little handle thing that goes here. I have to keep looking to see if you can see this. Okay. Here's a checklist, 2 blind bags. And these are all the people we can get. Alright. Oh, so there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different ones in this wave that you can get. And I think before we do that, I want to get all these other things open, right? So that was Crown Jewel. Next is Shamrock Devil. Okay. Is there a Shamrock? Shamrock and then Devil. There, Shamrock Devil. Oh! That opens up this little blind bag here. And I just want to keep track. There's 2 more to open. Okay. This guy, let's see what it is. I think I want to open the person last. Ooh, 2 baby little shoes. Oh my goodness, they're so tiny. What a wonderful choking hazard for the children, right? Okay, let's set those up. Okay, let's try one more code. Fire and Snowflake. So that was this one. Let's try Fire Snowflake here. No, that didn't do anything there. So can we try Fire Snowflake down here? No. So it was a fake clue. That's called a MacGuffin. Or red herring. Peace and love. Oh, that's nice. Peace and love. Bing. No. And how about, are we looking at this one? Yeah. Peace and love. Yeah, that's, yes, that works. Boop. Alright, so we got this out, which is a little sippy cup thing. Alright. It is red, slightly iridescent. Okay. So that can go there. Can you see that? Okay. There's still one more chamber here to open, so let's, ooh, did I lose something in there? I didn't. I left, oh, this probably goes on, I don't know what that is. We'll figure it out later. So we did peace and love, candy and fruit. Candy and fruit. Oh, not open. All right. Ta-da. All right. So we have everything has been opened. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's the little outfit. Ah, it's like a red iridescent. Oh, that's the back of it. Okay. Oh, so actually I should be able to figure out from the codes who I have, right? Is that a person on there? I don't see it. Oh, there she is. Thrilla. Oh, cool. She's like Michael Jackson. There. Can you see? Oh, that's fun. And she's got like Lady Gaga glasses. Well, let's see. That might be what's in one of these things. Okay. Oh, this is a teeny weeny. Oh, it's a single earring. So I guess she just wears one. Does she just wear one earring? I think, oh, it's a pacifier. Oh, duh. Okay. It's a pacifier. Okay. And then last, are those glasses. Oh, look at those. Pretty cool. Okay. So finally we have our under wraps doll, which we will take her head off. Oh, look at her, she's so cute. Hello. Okay, I didn't think I would do squeaky voices, but it's really tempting. So we'll take off her little top, her jelly layer. Now these can come off or stay on, I guess, together. So just for now, I guess I'll leave this as a complete outfit. Oh, look at her there. Okay, so first, let's see if she has any color changing to do. Does that, oh, actually it'll say on the checklist, I think. Yeah, it's what her options are. So if we look, she can either wink, I don't know what that means. Oh, tinkle, I think she can either be a tinkler, which means she pees her pants, or, I don't know what the, is that color changing? Or color change, I think that's what that is. So, yeah, it looks like I got a tinkler because she has a hole in her tinkle place. Okay, so here's my water. Let's see if she does a color change. I don't think, did she do anything? No. She did not, but let's see. She's a tinkler, right? Let's see. Does she spit or what's she doing? I can hear water. Oh, there she goes. Alright, so she's a tinkler. And I'm just gonna do hot water just for fun. Just see if there's any possible anything. Here's the hot water. Yeah, nothing happened. So she's just a tinkler, which is fine. That's what's so thrilling about her. She can just get some poise pads when she does her dance. So let's put her outfit together. Oh, look at that. She is pretty cool. Okay, I'm pleased with Thrilla. So let's put her back in the box. Back in the box, Thrilla. Oh, this is like a display thing. So you can stick this here. Put her here. Right? Stick in there, girl. Oh, maybe she can't be wearing the shoes. I'm not sure. Well, for now, she'll go there. And then this attaches here and turns it into a little purse. So you can carry her around. And it also looks like a mug, like she's holding the mug. Kind of neat. Let's put her back in there with the thing. I'll have to figure her feet out later. Let's try standing up, Thrilla. Okay. That was terribly exciting. So next up we're gonna do this LOL Surprise doll here. Oh my goodness, Kitty is playing with the old wrappers. Aren't you, baby? Here, look, just a little kitty interlude. Victor, what you doing? Yeah, playing with the wrappers. Okay, so back to the LOLs. Okay, so back to the LOLs. Sorry about that. Have to pay attention to the kitty when he wants attention.